vehicle as far as some various things. So wheels and tires, condition of tire, they'll be brand new. Lug nuts, we'll make sure that those are present, they're tight, and the hubcaps, there are no hubcaps, so we're good. Steering wheel and suspension. Typically, what you can do is when you have the wheel actually on here, you can give it a good, kind of torque back and forth here. Everything is good. All right, so we're good with the wheel bearings. Engine, fluid leaks, oil, fuel, water, none. Radiator overflow. There's an overflow. It's secure. Radiator hoses. Squeezing them here, they all look to be in pretty good nick. We have the K&N intake. It's not moving anywhere. That's good. Battery secured. I checked that earlier. Those are good, and the terminal is covered. Brakes. Pedal pressure is good. The fluid level is topped off, which I just did. The lines. Throughout the whole process, I've been looking at the lines. They're stainless steel lines, pretty good condition still. And brake lights. Brake lights should be good. Safety equipment, roll bars in open cars, seat belts, harnesses. Checking to make sure everything's secure. The seat is planted. The seat is planted as well. It's not going anywhere. The helmet is good. Gas cap is secure, which is, I just did that. No wire exposed, seat bolts are tight. And so that concludes it. I worked a bunch on the car. I'm going to put the wheels on, and try to put the hardtop on real quick, and get that secured. And we are good to go with the vehicle. So with that, let's go put these wheels on.